Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't mind my half face and my crazy hair. I did this just for the thumbnail so that you guys can see my Thai makeup versus my American makeup. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I saw a couple videos like this and I thought it'd be fun to do. If you're interested in seeing how I got both looks, then just please keep on watching. So I'm gonna start off by priming my skin with my Mercier Radiance Primer. So I'm just gonna prime both sides with the same thing. It's really not gonna make a difference. The sides just help the makeup to stay on and make my skin look radiant. So I'm gonna do this side, I'm already gone, and then I am gonna do Thai on this side right here. So for the American side, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. It's just more full coverage, and that's what I usually tend to do anyway. I like it pretty full coverage to cover all my blemishes. I know I look orange, but this foundation always kind of does that when you first apply it. And my face is naturally more on the lighter side. So with the foundation in comparison to my bare skin, it's gonna look orange. So I am using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to conceal. Okay, so there's that. And then now, I'm just gonna bake it and set it with my Mercier translucent powder. So I'm gonna go ahead and just leave that to bake to really brighten up the under eyes, and then I'm gonna move forward with my bronzing. So I'm gonna go with my Hoola bronzer, and I'm just gonna give myself a really nice bronzy contour. I like to go in with another brush and then just kind of buff out the bronze, just to make sure that it really blends nicely. And I'm cleaning my brush and I'm gonna go in and sweep the under eye off. So with what's left on this bronzing brush, excuse me, I'm gonna go and contour the side of my nose, or yeah, I'll just do it now. I was gonna wait to put foundation on the other side because I don't want to mess it up, but it's okay. So for blush, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Pixi Glow Cake Pink Champagne Glow Palette, and I am gonna mix these two shades to complete the face. Or actually, I'm not done quite yet. Still have highlight, but I'm gonna go ahead and bake the under part here of my cheek to make it look sharp, to make it look prominent, and to give me just a sharp edge. And like I always do in every video, I'm gonna spray my brush here. This is the Smashbox crease brush, and I always use this brush for highlight, just because I feel like it just fits perfectly where highlight needs to go. So, all right, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty. This side is called Hustla Baby, and it's all used up and kind of cracked, so don't mind that. I just love it. Just gonna pop that right on top and see it come alive. It's just beaming all over. All right, y'all, I am gonna move on to my brows. Where my brows at that though? For my brows, I'm gonna go in with the number 4 kabrow. I always forget the name. Forget the name of this one because I use Skinny Brow. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime with my sharp. I always say sharp. Oh, I just can't get it out of my head. I always say sharp Shape Tape. It's Tarte. So I'm gonna prime my eyes with that. And just kind of set that with translucent powder. Alright, so the look I'm going for is just kind of like an everyday smoky eye. And for me, that's just what I usually do. So I'm gonna go in with my Morphe palette, the Jaclyn Hill. I think her second palette that she made. And I am gonna use this brownish, like tan shade. And I'm gonna pop this right into my crease. And then next up, I am gonna move into this color right here. And it's kind of like just a deeper, like the same shade of the other one, but just like a deeper, like tan brown. So now I'm using, oh crap. Sorry guys, I'm very clumsy. So I'm gonna go in with this like stiff blending brush. And I'm just gonna go right over top. Alright, so next up I'm gonna go into like this deep chocolatey brown shade. And I'm using now a really soft blending brush. And I'm gonna pop this right in the outer corner. And just kind of focus it there. Blend it out. I am going in with my Tarte. I can't bend my hand for y'all to see, but here it is. Okay, so I'm gonna put this concealer and pretty much just carve out a crease because I have like pretty much just, I don't know, small lid space. So I'm gonna close my eyes, mark it where I want it, and then from there, just follow. Okay, so here it is. And then now I'm gonna go in with this sparkly pink champagne color. And I am using a flat shader brush. And I'm just gonna pop this right on the lid space. And then last but not least, to finish off the eyeshadow on my top lid, I'm gonna go in with that chocolatey brown shade that I put in the outer V. And one of the transition shades from earlier. And I'm just gonna blend out this harsh line right here. Okay guys, so to finish off the look, I'm gonna go ahead and apply on this mauve lipstick. This is called Boss, and this one is the Bare Minerals liquid lipstick line. And that is it for the American side, guys. Oh, you can't tell at all that I put some contact lenses on because a lot of the Thai actresses or just the Thai ladies that I've seen on social media, they wear really pretty contact lenses. So this is the closest I have to something like theirs. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this Peach Perfect Foundation by Too Faced. So as you can see, it's not nearly as full coverage, but I mean, it does its job. So for concealer, I'm gonna go in with my Shape Tape, but I'm not gonna use as much. Okay, so I'm not gonna bake my under eye. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna set it still, but I'm just gonna swirl it into my Laura powder and just kind of like dust it over top. Because what baking does is it definitely does help to prevent your concealer from creasing, but it also really highlights that. And I don't think, from the pictures that I saw, like a lot of Thai actresses, they don't have like a bright under eye or nothing that's very dramatic. Like I said, it's all very just subtle. So I'm just gonna kind of dab that over top. And then really get the powder underneath so that it won't crease. But yeah, just enough to prevent it from creasing, but not too much to highlight. Now, I am gonna just lightly bronze. I'm not gonna create like what I did over here. Instead, I'm just gonna lightly dust the Hoola bronzer over top. just to kind of slim the face down, but not really show at the same time, if you know what I'm saying. So just to contour. Okay, so I am gonna go ahead and use my blush here, same blush, but I'm gonna go ahead and just use the top. So I'm gonna keep it really nice, light, and peachy. So I'm gonna keep the blush really nice and light and more on the peachy side. For highlight, I'm gonna go in with my Dandelion Twinkle, and this is a really, really pretty highlighter. It's so subtle, so I don't use it because, you know, I'm a dramatic gal. But yeah, it's just really subtle and I do like it. So I'm gonna just pop it right on, and as you can see, it's not shiny and like reflective like this one, but it's just there to kind of make the cheekbones like pop a little bit. Okay guys, so now on to the brows. So I am gonna be using powder just because their brows are always like so fluffy and they are just like born with like naturally beautiful brows or something. And as you can see, I don't have a brow, so I'm gonna go ahead and create one, but create like a soft, natural, kind of feathered brow look. So it's pretty much just like that. It looks very similar to this one because I tweezed my brows yesterday, so I already have that shape. But I'm not gonna conceal, just because I just don't want to, and I think since their makeup is so natural, concealing it would make it look very unnatural. So to kind of give like the fluff to my brows, I'm gonna go in with my Gimme Brow in the shade 3, and this really helps to just give like your hair's texture, especially since I have such light, short, sparse brows. I don't have texture, so this just makes it look like I have like a lot of hairs. And I am brushing upward just to, once again, give off that fluffy effect. So let me go closer. So gradient, concealed to natural. So for the eye look, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes the same way. Okay, so as always, I'm gonna start with a transition shade, and so for this look, I'm gonna be using my Sweet Peach palette. So I'm gonna go in with the color Georgia. It's just like this nice soft pink color, and I'm just gonna put this right into my crease. Next up, I'm gonna go into this color Caramelized, and it's kind of like a brownish pink. It has like pink shimmer. And then with this soft blending brush here, I'm gonna place this color all over the lid. And then I'm gonna go back into the first color, which is Georgia, and I'm gonna smooth out the edges and kind of just go over it just to soften up the look a little bit more. So for my lower lash line, I am gonna go in with the color Caramelized and then the shade Summer Yum, just to kind of deepen up the under eye area. So I'm gonna go in with the MAC Nylon eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna brighten up the inner corner here and then bring it in halfway. I'd say that's like the typical Asian thing to do, is to brighten up the inner corners, which I absolutely love. I feel like it really brings out our eyes. So I'm gonna start off by spraying my brush with my setting spray. And then, now I'm gonna place this on the inner corner of my eyes. So now what I'm gonna do to finish off this look is, I'm gonna take an eyeliner. Sorry, I'm going on camera because it's all on the side. I'm gonna take my Pixi eyeliner, and this is the Eye Bright liner. And I'm just gonna line my lower lash line with this, and then I'm gonna tight line my upper lash line with the Marc Jacobs eyeliner, the black one that I use on this side. Okay, so I already went ahead and tight lined, so now I'm gonna apply mascara, curl my lashes, apply mascara, and then apply falsies, and then I will come right back. Okay, so to finish off this look, I'm gonna go ahead and apply on a very, very natural lipstick, and this is the Josie Maran Embrace It Honey. So it's a very, very natural lipstick shade. My baby still wants to talk to you guys. And it literally doesn't even look like I had lipstick on when I put this stuff on, but that's kind of the look I'm going for, so just gonna pop it on. I'm gonna split my face in half so that you guys can see how it looks.